Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and today my video is part of the Kendra's Card Challenge number 10 giveaway video hop. So my teammates and I will each be sharing one sketch out of the 15 card sketches that are part of this quarter's challenge. So be sure to hop along, watch all of the videos, and enter for a chance to win a fabulous giveaway. If you want to see what the giveaway is, do pop on over to Kendra's channel. She is Cards by Kendra here on YouTube, and she will have a video of the giveaway that you can actually win if you follow along and complete the hop. So if you're very new to Kendra's Card Challenge, what it is a free, I like to think of it as a fabulous resource that you can download. Links to everything will be in the description box below if you want to check it out. But in this PDF guide, Kendra makes available a cutting guide where you can take 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern papers, and she shows you exactly how to cut up each sheet in the most efficient way. And then following the cutting guide, you will find 15 card sketches. The sketches reference back to the 6 sheets of pattern paper that you cut up so that you can see exactly how to use all of the pieces and which sketch number each individual piece gets used on. And you'll find that you're not going to have any waste at the end of the day if you follow the cutting guide and the 15 card sketches. So that's one of the things that I really find amazing about this sketch challenge, because it makes really efficient use of all 6 sheets of pattern paper, so you don't have any scraps at the end, and then you get a really lovely variety of cards, because the card sketches are all unique and different from each other. So I really love that aspect of it too. And if you want to play along with the challenge, what you can do is actually make a set of 15 cards, and then if you're not already part of the Kendra's Card Challenge Facebook group, you can join that group and submit your set of 15 cards for a chance to win some fabulous prizes. Kendra has lined up a lot of sponsors for this sketch challenge, and they have been so generous to donate gift certificates, physical prize bundles, digital prize bundles. So be sure to check out Kendra's website. Again, links to everything in the description box below, and you can see the full list of sponsors who are sponsoring challenge number 10. And in fact, you don't only have the one chance to win prizes if you play along with the challenge. You actually can submit 3 sets of 15 cards each, one in each month of the quarter. So for sketch number 10, that's going to be April, May, and June. And if you create 3 sets of 15 cards and you submit one a month, you're going to get more chances to win, because Kendra actually draws prizes at the end of each month. So you don't have to wait until the end of the quarter to see if you've won anything. You actually might get a chance to win something at the end of each month. So really, really fabulous. Lots of opportunities to win for this entire quarter. So be sure to play along and check that out. But as I mentioned before, I really do feel like these PDFs that Kendra makes available to us for free is just a wonderful reference, a wonderful resource to have in general. Because when you're done playing along with the challenge, you still have these amazing 15 card sketches that you can come back to and use time and time again. So for example, today, I'm actually not going to make a full set of 15 cards. And instead, I'm just going to make this one sketch number 8. And I'm using actually some scraps, some leftovers from an earlier card making session where I crafted with the Spellbinders April Quick and Easy card making kit of the month. And so these card sketches can be a fabulous way to maybe do some scrap busting as well, because the cutting guide does give you dimensions for all of the pieces. So if you want to create just maybe a single card out of the set of 15, like I am doing today, you can look at that card and then see which pieces, which pattern paper it refers back to. Then go back to the cutting guide and just see how the dimensions of those pieces of pattern paper are, and then you can just cut those individually. So you don't have to feel like you always need to make the full set of 15 cards, and you also don't have to feel like you have to start fresh from a full sheet of 6x6 pattern paper. So really make this your own, use it as a resource, because I really think it's fabulous. The prizes and the opportunity to win giveaways is really fun to play along with, but I feel like this has value long term as well. So definitely keep these as a resource and come back to them when you're maybe stuck for ideas. And that's one of the things I really love about card sketches, because the ones that really resonate with me, I find myself just doing without even having to look at a card sketch anymore. So I really feel like I'm actually growing as a card maker, as a crafter, because I feel like I'm getting a little bit better at composing elements on my card. And speaking of elements on my card, one of the things I really like about card kits that come with ephemera, like the Quick and Easy card kit, is that it does make for pretty quick card making. So you've got your focal image that you can collage up, you've got some sentiments. So if you don't have all the things like stamps and inks and stamping platform and a die cutting machine, you don't really need all of that with kits like these. You can get everything that you need, combine it with a fun card sketch challenge like Kendra's card challenge, and you're well on your way to making beautiful cards. It's also a fun activity that you can be doing maybe with your kids, your nieces and nephews. So I hope that you like my card today, and don't forget to hop along, like and comment on all of the videos on this hop, and be sure to enter the form out. There's a link to the form in the description box below. That way, if you're chosen as the winner for the video hop giveaway, Kendra has a way to get in touch with you. Thanks again, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.